If you're wondering what type of waterproof luggage you should be using on your next motorcycle trip, this episode of Gear Matters will help you find the answer. When you tour on a motorcycle in India, waterproof luggage isn't optional. Monsoons, river crossing, unexpected downpours, you should expect to ride in the wet. But what type of waterproof motorcycle luggage should you really be using? Waterproof luggage like the ViaTerra Drybags and the waterproof seat bag are a popular choice. Built with specialized materials and seam-sealed construction, these bags can keep the rain out without the need for any additional layers. They are easy to use and work extremely well for anyone who wants the simplest luggage system to keep your gear dry. But if you're someone who has more nuanced needs, products like the ViaTerra Hammerhead or Lay saddlebags that use a combination of inner and outer waterproof layers are likely to be a better match for a few good reasons. With a liner-based system, you get a rugged outer bag that is more resistant to heat, abrasion, and puncture damage. Products like the ViaTerra Hammerhead are built with an extremely tough outer shell made of genuine Cordura fabric. Even the hardest of PVC-based materials cannot match the durability of this Cordura. The high-strength polyester materials used to construct the waterproof claw and lay or condor saddlebags similarly offer a significant benefit in terms of material strength. While on the subject, liner-based luggage systems are easier to repair too. Due to the nature of construction, damaged panels, straps, or other components can more easily be repaired or replaced. And if a liner is damaged, you can simply replace that component without needing to repair or replace the whole bag. Liner-based luggage also wins in terms of the convenience of organization. While most dry bags offer only single compartment storage, bags like the Hammerhead, Claw, and Lay offer multiple pockets for more organized storage that also makes it easier to access things on the go as and when you need them. There is also the benefit of cost. Liner-based luggage usually offers more bang for the buck as compared to seam-sealed counterpart due to the difference in materials and methodology. You can find cheap imitation products that promise otherwise, but if you're comparing gear of genuine quality, this logic will stand its ground. The bottom line is that there is no better waterproof luggage, only what is better suited to your use case. If you want simplicity, fast packing, and zero fuss, fully waterproof dry bags deliver exactly that. But if you want to build a touring luggage system that offers more durability, organization, modularity, and easy repairs, liner-based systems are hard to beat. If you're curious to know more about some of the products shown in this video, links are in the description. Thanks for watching.